Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Ahmed Noman, and today this is our fourth lecture related to the hydrochloric acid industry. So first we will just briefly overview what we have studied in our previous three lectures, and then we will continue with our today's lecture. So in our first lecture related to hydrochloric industry, we had just a brief introduction of hydrochloric acid, that what is hydrochloric acid, and then we studied about their some physical properties, and we learned about the history of hydrochloric acid, some natural sources of hydrochloric acid, and we also had an overview of general characteristics and toxicity of hydrochloric acid to living organisms. Then in our next lecture I had a overview of global HCl production, where it is produced and where it is used, and then we discussed different important chemical properties and reactions of hydrochloric acids. And in our third lecture of this series, we actually discuss in detail different methods which have been used currently for the production of HCl at industrial scale. So we had actually discussed around these, as you can see, 6 major methods which have been employed for the HCl production at industrial scale. And today in our last lecture on hydrochloric acid industry, so we will discuss about the major uses and applications of HCl. Major applications of hydrochloric acid industry is in steel production. And in steel industry, hydrochloric acid is used for the steel pickling operations, which is actually the process in which rust and other impurities are removed from the steel surface. So in HCl is used for the removal of rust and other impurities from the surface of carbon, alloy and steel, stainless steel, and for that process mostly the steel surface is exposed to the dilute hydrochloric acid, and in this way this hydrochloric acid removes those impurities and rust from the surface, and after that steel can be actually processed and used for other application, like for their uses in building and construction projects, or in making car bodies and household applications. Basically this pickling process is required for all those steel products that undergo further processing. For example वायर प्रोडक्शन है, या कोटिंग है शीट्स वगैरह की, या टिन मिल प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, तो ऐसी तमाम टाइप की स्टील की जिसकी फर्दर प्रोसेसिंग करनी हो, तो उसके लिए जो है वो मैंडेटरी होता है कि पहले उसकी पिकलिंग की जाए और उसमें से जितनी भी इम्प्योरिटीज़ हैं उनको रिमूव किया जाए। एंड मोस्ट कॉमनली यूज मेथड इज़ कि उसको हम ट्रीट करते हैं हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड से फॉर इट्स क्लीनिंग। बिसाइड्स जो है स्टील पिकलिंग, जो हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड को जो है एल्यूमिनियम इचिंग के लिए भी यूज़ किया जाता है, और डिफरेंट अदर मेटल क्लीनिंग के लिए भी जो है इसको हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड को यूज़ किया जाता है। Similar to steel production, HCl play a vital role in the processing of different kind of types of ores. For example, it can be used in many mining operations, for ore treatment, for the extraction process, in separation, purification and water treatment. And significant amount of HCl is used worldwide for the recovery of molybdenum and gold from their ores. It is also used to convert high grade scheelite concentrate and the crude tungstate to tungstic acid, कि जिसको बाद में जो है वो टंगस्टन मेटल और डिफरेंट जो उसके रिलेटेड केमिकल्स हैं उनके लिए फिर फर्दर उसको यूज़ किया जाता है। बट इनिशियल जो प्रेसिंग होती है उस शीलाइट और की, उसके अंदर जो है वो हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड को यूज़ किया जाता है। एंड बिसाइड्स जो है हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड इज़ आल्सो यूज्ड इन द प्रोसेसिंग ऑफ यूरेनियम एंड जिरकोनियम, and it acts as a pH regulator in the solution mining of borate ores, and it is also used in the processing of rare earth actually metals from their respective ores. So it has been widely used worldwide in the ore processing process. A very important application of hydrochloric acid is in activating oil wells. In this process, actually HCl is used to remove both rust, scale, and undesirable carbonate deposits in oil wells, and that actually helps in enhancing the flow of crude oil or gas to the well. एंड इस जो प्रोसेस है इसको स्टिमुलेशन ऑफ ऑयल वेल भी कहा जाता है, और इसको एसिडाइजेशन भी किया जाता है और एक्टिवेटिंग भी कहा जाता है. सो दिस इज़ HCl इज़ यूज फॉर एक्टिवेटिंग ऑयल वेल्स और ऑयल वेल एसिडाइजेशन और स्टिमुलेशन. सो ऑल ऑफ दीज टर्म्स कैन बी यूज. सो बेसिकली होता क्या है इस प्रोसेस में कि जब आप जो ऑयल है जहाँ से आप निकाल रहे हैं, तो वहाँ पे देर आर डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ स्केल हो सकते हैं, डिफरेंट रस्ट हो सकती है, डिफरेंट कार्बोनेट डिपॉजिट होते हैं कि जो उसके जो फ्लो को जो है वो रोक रहे होते हैं. सो इस प्रोसेस में क्या किया जाता है कि दैट दे इंजेक्ट हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड इनसाइड एंड द केविटीज़ ऑफ ऑयल वेल्स, कि जो कि इन रस्ट हो गया या कार्बोनेट डिपॉजिट्स हो गए इनको डिज़ोल्व कर देते हैं, जिसकी वजह से जो फ्लो ऑफ ऑयल है या गैस है वो जो है इन्हांस हो जाता है, एंड दैट एक्चुअली इंक्रीजेज द एफिशिएंसी ऑफ द ऑयल वेल्स एंड दैट प्रोसेस. So that is actually a very common method which is used worldwide for activating oil mills. HCl is also widely used in the production of different organic compounds. For example, it has been widely employed for the production of dichloroethane and vinyl chloride, both of which are used in the production of PVC. Similarly, HCl is used for the production of bisphenol A, which is used in various pharmaceutical products. Besides these, HCl has been used in many other organic compounds of importance. For example, it is used for the production of paraphenylene diamine in different polycarbonate resins, and also for the production of ethanol from ethylene. And there are so many other applications of HCl for the production of different important organic compounds of importance. Besides the production of organic compounds, HCl is used in the production of numerous inorganic compounds. For example, in the acid-base normal acid-base reaction utilizing HCl produces many inorganic compounds which are of importance in different fields. One of the very important application of those inorganic compounds which are produced using HCl are the compounds for water treatments, such as polyaluminum chloride and iron chloride, which have been used extensively for the coagulation and flocculation agents in the water treatment process for drinking water production and sewage treatment, and also in the paper productions. And as you can see in the reaction that how actually we can prepare these compounds is really simple. For example, when iron oxide is treated with hydrochloric acid, so it results in the production of iron chloride and water, and that iron chloride can be used in the water treatment process. Besides these compounds that we mentioned, there are many other important applications of inorganic compounds produced with the help of hydrochloric acid, but it is not possible to actually mention all of those. Hydrochloric acid is also widely used for neutralization reactions and also for the pH control, and it is widely used for regulating the pH of the solutions. A very important application is in the regulation of the pH for different pharmaceutical products, in different fruit products, and in drinking water. And besides this product, HCl is also used for neutralizing some waste streams which have the very high ratio of alkaline substances and whose pH is very high. So HCl is used in such waste streams to neutralize their alkaline pH. HCl also finds numerous applications in the production of food and its processing. For example, HCl is used in the processing of corn syrup, which is used in the production of soft drinks, cookies, crackers, ketchups, and cereals. Similarly, HCl is used as an acidifier in different sauces and vegetable juices, and it is also used in the canned goods. And the purpose of using in canned goods is to one is to enhance its flavor and also to avoid the spoilage of the canned foods. And besides, it is used as additives or in the processing of additives for the food industry. For example, it is used in the processing of fructose, citric acid, and hydrolyzed vegetable protein. Besides, it is used in the manufacturing of gelatin, and we know that gelatin is produced by acidulating the crushed bones, and normally HCl is used for the acidulating purpose and production of the gelatin from those bones. So HCl is also used in the production of artificial sweeteners, which are used in the production of different cold drinks with 0 calorie, and it is also used in the production of some lysine, choline chloride, which are actually primarily used for animal feed additive, and it is also used for the production of citric acid. Besides, it is used for the production of HFCS, which is high fructose corn syrup, and that HFCS is actually used mainly in the production of soft drink. Around 70 to 75% of HFCS is mainly used in the production of different soft drinks. So there are many direct and indirect uses of hydrochloric acid in the processing and production of food products. Very important application of HCl is in the regeneration of ion exchange resins. So mostly very high quality hydrochloric acid is used for this process, and it is a very efficient way of regeneration of the ion exchangers. And in this process, we know that ion exchange resins are mostly used to remove sodium and calcium ion from aqueous solution, and especially they are used in the treatment of water before they are used in the applications such as in boilers. So after some time, these resins are actually contaminated or clogged with a large number of sodium and potassium calcium ions, and that they require regeneration process. So HCl can be actually used to remove those sodium and calcium ions which are attached to the resins. So when those resin which are actually containing a large number of sodium and calcium, they are treated with hydrochloric acid. So protons from the HCl actually replace sodium in one hydrogen, and actually two protons actually replace calcium attached to the surface of the resin. So in this way, these ion exchange resins are regenerated and then again can be used for their application as the ion exchange resin. Another important application of hydrochloric acid is in the production of calcium chloride. So mainly calcium chloride is actually used for de-icing roads. इन नॉर्मली जो जिन कंट्रीज़ में बहुत ज़्यादा स्नोफॉल होती है, फॉर एग्जांपल इन आवर जैसे हमारे नॉर्दर्न एरियाज़ हैं, सो इन मोस्टली वहाँ पे जो है जब स्नो कवर करती है रोड को, तो उसके ऊपर जो है वो कैल्शियम क्लोराइड को जो है वो डाला जाता है पाउडर को. सो वो जो है उस आइस को मेल्ट कर देती है और जो है वो रोड जो है वो ब्लॉकेज नहीं होती. सो दिस इज़ अ वेरी कॉमन प्रैक्टिस यूज्ड इन मैनी advanced countries, and calcium chloride is the most commonly used chemical for de-icing of the roads. And other important application of calcium chloride are in the food production. For example, calcium chloride is used as a stabilizer and firming agent in the baked goods, and also it is used as an antimicrobial agent in different food products. Besides its application in these icing and in the food products, it is often used in the dust control process, in different industrial processing of many products, and it is also used in oil recovery and the concrete treatment. So there are many applications where this calcium chloride is produced, and this calcium chloride is normally actually obtained by the reaction of hydrochloric acid with the limestone. It is also commonly used for removing metal stain from different metals. We know that it's highly corrosive in nature, but dilute hydrochloric acid can be used for removing the stains from the metal surface. And HCl can be used for cleaning iron, copper, brass, and many other metals, but it should not be used directly, and also the concentrated hydrochloric acid should not be used directly on the metals because it's highly corrosive in nature. But dilute hydrochloric acid is very efficient in cleaning the stains from the metal surface. HCl is a very powerful acid, and it is has been used for cleaning many cleaning applications. So among the different available cleaners commercially, HCl is believed to be the strongest cleaner. And its industrial scale HCl is very commonly used on cleaning machinery. आप जैसे देख सकते हैं कि जो नीचे डायग्राम है, इसके अंदर आप एक साइड पे देख सकते हैं कि जो ये जो ईंटें हैं ये वाइट हुई हुई हैं, और उसके साथ जो हाफ जो पोर्शन है इसको HCl के साथ क्लीन किया गया, और यू कैन सी द डिफरेंस कि HCl से आप कितना अच्छा जो है इसको क्लीन कर सकते हैं. बिसाइड्स दिस HCl जो है उसको आपके जो टॉयलेट क्लीनर्स होते हैं, देयर इज़ अ बाथ रूम जो टाइल क्लीनर हैं, और डिफरेंट अदर जो पोर्सलिन क्लीनर्स हैं उनके अंदर जो है एज अ इंग्रेडिएंट जो है वो HCl जो है वो शामिल होता है. And because of its strong action, it is very efficient in cleaning जो है tough stains from the tiles in the different areas. Also used for cleaning pools. So normally जो है there are different detergents हैं जो available होते हैं for cleaning, और scrubber यूज़ कर सकते हैं cleaning के लिए, but there are few stains के जो बहुत tough होते हैं और उनको नॉर्मल डिटर्जेंट और स्क्रबर से रिमूव करना आसान नहीं होता. सो इन सच ए केस जो है वहाँ पे हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड को यूज़ किया जाता है टू रिमूव द स्टेन. बट इन सच ए केस वी कैन नॉट यूज द स्ट्रॉन्ग concentrated HCl, but it should be carried out with dilute hydrochloric acid. Otherwise जो strong acid है that can damage the surface. And besides cleaning of the swimming pools जो है HCl is also used to maintain the optimum pH of the water in the swimming pool. So for if the normal water is alkaline, then HCl can be used to neutralize the pH of the pool water. Very important application of HCl is in cleaning of the pontoon boats. Pontoon boats mostly हम उनको कहते हैं कि जो कि एक फ्लैट सरफेस होती है जो उनकी ना बॉटम में. सो इनको जो है पोंटून बोट्स कहा जाता है. एंड मोस्टली दे हैव एन एलुमिनियम सरफेस बीनीथ, एंड दैट एक्चुअली एलुमिनियम सरफेस जो है उसके ऊपर डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ एल्जी एंड जो ज़ेब्रा मसल्स होते हैं, जैसे सीपियाँ होती हैं, विच यू कैन सी इन द इमेज बिलो. सो दे कैन एक्चुअली अटैच ऑन द सरफेस और उसको जो है वो फूल कर देती हैं, उसको ख़राब करती हैं. एंड इन 1 or 2 सीज़न जो है वो बहुत बुरी तरह जो है वो उसकी जो बिलो सरफेस होती है, जो वाटर होती है, तो वो उसके साथ जो है एलजी और ज़ेब्रा मसल वगैरह अटैच होते हैं और उसकी सरफेस बहुत ख़राब हो जाती है. एंड देर आर नॉर्मली वेरी एक्सपेंसिव केमिकल विच आर यूज फॉर क्लीनिंग दैट पर्पज़. But HCl is found to be very effective when used in dilute concentration for cleaning all of these debris or these algae from the surface. And it's very easy. Normally इसको रिमूवल के लिए क्या किया जाता है कि जो एक सिंपल HCl को स्प्रे किया जाता है उसकी सरफेस के ऊपर, और आफ्टर 5 to 10 मिनट्स जो है उसको विद प्रेशर जो है वॉश किया जाता है और जितनी भी मसल्स और एल्जी हैं उससे रिमूव हो जाते हैं. एंड it is now a very common practice to remove these unwanted material from the surface using HCl instead of many expensive actually chemicals which were initially used for that purpose. There were some major application of HCl, and there are some further additional uses of HCl because it is not possible to discuss all the uses in detail. So in next 1 or 2 slides, so we will just overview some main major other uses of the HCl. So HCl is also used in textile industry for the bleaching cloths, and also in the leather industry and leather tanning industry. It is also used for the refining of cane sugar and manufacturing of synthetic rubber and plastics. Another very important application of HCl is in the manufacturing of aqua regia, which is used to dissolve metals like gold and platinum. HCl also have some application in the production of batteries and in the production of photo flash bulbs. It have also been used in the synthesis of chlorine dioxide and in the importantly the production of hydrogen. Further used in the process of purification of the normal table salt and in the production of polyurethane foam. HCl is very important in the hydrometallurgical processing and specifically in the production of alumina and titanium dioxide. HCl is also used in the production of various kind of fireworks, and it is a very important reagent in different research facilities and different chemical reaction, and also used in different kind of medicine as well. It is also used in the production of ascorbic acid and para-aminobenzoic acid, and it's a very important component in the manufacturing of dyes and pigments. Besides, HCl is commonly used in the removal of sludge and scale from different industrial equipments, and it is also used in carbonizing of wool and in the purification of sand and clay. And HCl has also been used as a catalyst in different syntheses, and it is also commonly used in the regeneration of different catalysts. And HCl is also being applied for the recovery of semi precious metal from used catalysts. So these were some of the common uses of HCl which we have discussed today. And besides these major uses and application we discussed today, there are many other industrial scale application and which we were not able to discuss in this lecture due to the shortage of time. So that's all for today's lecture. Thank you so much for your patience and listening. And in case you have any question or confusion regarding this lecture or previous 3 lectures which were on hydrochloric acid industry, so you are free to ask me. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.